Hey there, Troublemaker Bricks, and here's another review of the 60157, the Jungle Starter Set, 88 pieces. At Walmart, they wanted it $9.99, so I thought it'd be a cool set to have, so I picked it up. Simple, same box as everything else. A little bit of what you can do with it. Try to help you build and stuff like that. You got your instructions. Then you get this guy, the professor, I call him. Nice build. If I hang on to him. Then you got a double-sided face. There. If I can put his hair back on. And then you have the two explorers or guides here. Not bad little build, you know, little figures. The print on the back's pretty nice. Well ornery little, looking like he's really having a good time with that machete. Then you get the alligator and crocodile, however you want to put it. It's better than what we got in the 80s and early 90s sets. A little more detailed, a little bit more attitude. But then you got the hovercraft. I'm not a big fan. Probably in this it looks like it's yellow, but yet it's orange. I'm not a big fan of orange. Nice little pillars in the back. You get a little container and a camera for the professor to use. And then you have this, the tree or swamp vine thing. And inside here there's a hidden gold pieces, 3 of them, and a yellow frog and a green snake. So, and then these are the extra pieces. Let's see if I can do this. There. Nothing spectacular in the extra pieces department, but still. And that's it for this set. It's a nice little set, stocking stuffer, birthday gift, what have you. Yeah, the set is 60157 Jungle Starter Set. 88 pieces. I like it. I'm glad I got it. There's some cool pieces for if you're doing a mock, you can use, which most likely this isn't. I might tear down and use in my mock, which is, I'll give you a quick peek. There. The update's going to be coming up pretty soon on that. But anyways, that's that. So let me know what you think in the comment section below of this set. If you like it, don't like it. Hit the thumbs up button. And until next time, take it easy, stay out of trouble. Bye.